Bill. Good morning, everybody. Well, we have got a small surprise for you this morning, and needless to say, I expected it sooner than later, but I'm going to take you for a little tour here and show you our little surprise. And as we're feeding everybody, I'll take you along with me. All right, guys, come on, let me go show you. So guys, what we got here is a little hen, and she's been broody for a couple days, and I'm getting ready to clean her little cage out because I had to put her in the night before. But what have we got here? What do we have? We got babies, and not one, not two. Oh, she's gonna get broody. Ooh. Oh. Don't pick. Well, how many babies you got? We got 3. Mama, we need to clean your pen out. Your little nest is, and I made her some, we got some mama food, we got some baby food, and we got a little bit of water. But yeah, we've got to clean her little pen out, and hopefully I can sit her on the ground just a second with her babies while we clean. I'll have to keep an eye on all the rest of the area animals that are just kind of laying around because her babies are very tiny and she's overprotected. But I'm going to leave her in the shade today under the tree. It's just so cool out, and keep her out of the coop. But yeah, I'm going to try to clean her little cage out, and this could be a job. These guys don't need to be around. Keeping them guys at a distance. Shh, shh, shh. We don't need no baby problems. Here's her old gang. This is her little clutch group. And he's hollering for all of them. Just sitting here making sure no one hurts the babies. Somebody needs to go on a diet. Frankie! Frank! What are you doing? What are you doing? You want to come out? Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you liked, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and share. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.